In this podcast episode, Ben Shapiro delves into the ongoing trial of Donald Trump in New York, where he faces 34 felony counts of falsification of business records. The episode also touches on Joe Biden's declining popularity, the political landscape in New York City, and the role of the media in shaping public opinion. The trial of Donald Trump is a central focus, with Shapiro noting that it would be surprising if Trump is not convicted given the composition of the jury and the judge's apparent expectations. The jury, described as 12 angry New Yorkers, may not be particularly fond of Trump, and the judge's jury instructions suggest a conviction is anticipated. The jury deliberates for over 4 hours before taking a break and resuming the next day, requesting to hear the legal instructions again due to the confusing nature of the charges. The judge's instructions outline 3 possible unlawful means that Trump may have used to impact the 2016 election: violations of the Federal Election Campaign Act, falsification of other business records, and violation of tax laws. Notably, the jury is not required to be unanimous on which of these unlawful means were used, an unusual legal approach that raises questions about the trial's fairness. Shapiro criticizes the case's flaws, particularly the lack of evidence that Trump willfully violated the Federal Election Campaign Act. He also points out the weaknesses in Trump's defense strategy, which focuses on denying involvement in the alleged illegal conduct rather than arguing the legality of the conduct. He suggests that Trump is likely to be convicted, though the conviction may not significantly impact his political standing. A new NPR Marist poll shows Trump leading by 12 points among independent voters, indicating strong support despite the trial. The episode also discusses Joe Biden's declining popularity, with his unfavorable ratings exceeding favorable ones by a significant margin. The slowing economy, which was expected to reduce inflation, has not achieved this goal, and the high inflation rate is contributing to Biden's low approval ratings. These economic challenges are a significant factor in Biden's declining popularity. The podcast then shifts to the political landscape in New York City, particularly the upcoming mayoral election. Shapiro expresses concerns about the candidate's ability to address the city's pressing issues, which have been exacerbated by the pandemic. The pandemic has highlighted and intensified existing problems in New York City, making effective leadership more crucial than ever. Racial tensions in New York City are another topic of discussion. Shapiro emphasizes the need for unity and understanding among different communities to address systemic issues and work towards a more inclusive and equitable society. He stresses the importance of coming together to tackle these challenges and create positive change. The role of the media in shaping public opinion and influencing political discourse is also examined. Shapiro discusses the need for responsible journalism and unbiased reporting to ensure that the public is well-informed and able to make informed decisions. He highlights the media's power in shaping narratives and the importance of maintaining journalistic integrity.